This video shows how to cook using programmed recipes in the Converge Oven with Deluxe Control. Before you begin, make sure the oven is preheated and your food is prepared and ready to cook. To cook using a programmed recipe, do the following. First, touch the Recipes icon. The Browse Recipes screen displays. Navigate to the recipe. Touch the recipe, then select the desired chamber or chambers. Open the door and load the food. Close the door. Touch the Start icon. The cooking process begins. If you want to view the current chamber temperature, touch and hold the cooking mode icon in that chamber. If you want to view details of the current cooking process, touch the chamber. The cooking status screen displays the details for the current cook setting. If you want to cancel the cooking process, touch the X in that particular chamber. This recipe doesn't contain an action step, but for recipes that do, touch OK after the action is completed to continue the cook cycle. At the end of the cooking process, the oven and action step is completed. Both the chamber light and the door handle light will flash. Remove the cooked food. The cooking process is now complete. Close the door. For more how-to videos, please visit our website.